Hi students, so today we're going to solve question 19 from GATE CSE 2024 set 1. The question states that consider the following C program, right? Because after considering the C program, assume that the input to the program from command line is 1 2 3 4 followed by a new line character. New line character basically means you are pressing the enter key. This is the symbol for enter key that is present on your keyboard. Pressing that key after pressing 1 2 3 4. Which one of the following statement is correct? So let's follow along the program and see what it does with 1 2 3 4 and then enter. So this is a function declaration, that a function of this what is defined somewhere, and they have given this definition right over here, right? And then we have main. In main we are calling the function f of fx, and that fx in this function we have defined a variable, and we are defining an if statement. Inside of the if statement, right, inside of the if statement we are assigning the value of a with getchar. Getchar is a function. This is a predefined C function, C language function, which returns the pressed key on the keyboard. I mean, if no key is pressed, it will wait for a key to be pressed, and once a key is pressed, it will return that key. Suppose the control goes inside of getchar, then it will wait until you press, suppose you press 9, then a will have the value 9, right? A is a char means character type, and it will have stored the value 9, or it will store the digit, not the value 9, value in the sense magnitude, no, not the magnitude, but the ASCII value, right? 9's ASCII value would be something, the same way A's ASCII value would be something, right? And so on and so forth. So it stores that. Once we store the ASCII value for that, and then we compare it with the ASCII value of slash of n. Slash of n is basically used for new line character, and new line character, as I told earlier, is when enter is pressed. That is, if you press enter, how would you express that in program? There is, enter does not have any symbol, right? So for that we use this symbol, right? So if getchar is not equals to slash n, then call f of x. But if it is f of n, then it is not equals to, right? If it is not equals to, then this if, the statement just followed by the if, is taken as a conditional statement that would only be invoked if the condition in if is met, right? So condition is that a is not equals to new line character. So 1, if a is equals to some 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then we will go and call f of x. If a is equals to slash of n, then we will not call f of x, and we will go here. And if a is not equals to n, new line character, if not equal to new line character, then print it. So for new line character we are not printing, otherwise we are printing, right? And then let's go on with this. Our input here is 1 2 3 4, then a new line character. So function comes here, we have a, we do getchar, and we get the value of a as 1. Then we compare 1 is not equals to new line, yes, this is true, so we call f of x again, right? Okay, let's clear up this stuff because it's going to become a bit confusing like this, right? So now for value of a equal to 1, we have called f of x, and then control goes back here again, then we get here, then this thing is equals to 2, then 2, and we go back here again because this function is being called again, and then this thing is equals to 3, then again invocation, and this thing becomes 4, then one more invocation, and then it is equals to new line character, then this is not invoked. Then we go here, if a is not equals to new line character, so right now a is equals to new line character, right? So this will also not be called, and the control will drop from here, and hence this will go away. But because this is the fourth invocation, we will go to the previous one, right? This is removed, so now 4 is value of a is 4, and we are getting out from here. Now a is not equals to new line character, true, then we are going to print 4. Putchar is also a predefined C function, and that prints the value of A or whatever character you provide as a parameter. You're providing A as a parameter here. So after that, the control will drop from this function again. This is removed. Then we getting out of here with value A equal to 3. Right, with 3 would also not equals to newline character, so 3 would also be printed. Likewise 2 would also be printed, 1 would also be printed, and then control will drop from here also. So this is the sequence that is going to be printed on the screen. So which option states a similar thing? The program will not terminate, so the program will terminate, so this is a false statement. The program will terminate with no output, false statement. The program will terminate with 4321, this is a true statement. This is the answer for this question. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.